Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kids in Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Panko Chocolate Crunch. It's chocolate crunch using panko breadcrumb. Super easy to make. And if you don't have panko, you can use any breadcrumb you have in your pantry. You ready? Let's get started. These are what you need. 100 grams of chocolate. Today, I'm using milk chocolate and dark chocolate, but you can use any chocolate you like. 40 grams of panko breadcrumb, and this is optional, but some peanuts if you like. If you're using peanuts, you want to crush it. So put it on paper towel, wrap it up, and crush it. Let's melt the chocolate. Break it into a ball that you can microwave. And just microwave this until chocolate is all melted. I did little over 2 minutes at 600 watts. Mix to melt it completely. Add panko. Mix it well. Until panko is all coated with the chocolate. Then peanuts. Prepare a tray lined with parchment paper. Put the panko and chocolate mixture into this measuring spoon and press it tight. Then take it out on the parchment paper. Press it tight. And out. Okay, I made 16. Let's put it in the fridge and chill until it's nice and firm. I chilled them for 1 hour in the fridge. It's nice and firm and it can easily come off from the parchment paper. So it's done. Itadakimasu. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.